Blue wild indigo symbolizes protection and romance. Would you like to know more? Come on. This is blue wild indigo. It's also known as blue false indigo, indigo weed, rattlebush, horsefly weed. The botanical name is Baptisia australis. It is a native wildflower to the eastern United States. Flowers bloom throughout the spring and resemble pea blossoms. Plant juice is used to make purple dye if true indigo is not available. The blue wild indigo's black woody roots contain a dark secretion that turns blue when it comes in contact with air.